going to show you a project that I've made, and I've got again my lights out. I'm sorry. I will zip. Okay. And yeah, what I did. Wow, oh my god. What did I do? I made a mini caddy as Happy Mail, and I followed a tutorial by Mommy Me Crafts. I will put a link in the description box below. I love this mini caddy. The original caddy is oh my god, the original one's from Tasha. Sorry, Tasha. Yeah, it's from Tasha, and this is the small one, the little one, and I love it. It's so cute, and I tucked all kinds of stuff in there for the person who's going to get this. And I'm going to show you what I've done. I've used paper from a local store. It's this very happy paper, I think. Happy shabby. And yeah, this was fun. So on the front I put some flowers, some crochet pieces from Patricia with a flatback pearl in there, and some leaves. And this one, this heart, is also from Patricia. So I like this. Look how cute. I hope I am in frame. Yeah. Okay, I have to stay it like this, and a dangle on the side with a shoe, vintage shoe, and some red bead and transparent bead I put on there. And this one is from Tim Holtz. And yeah, a lot of space in this bag. This one I will put in her package because we are going to do a Christmas scene in July, so she can use that then. Okay, I got a few things I want to show you, not much, but I tucked in these. It's always nice to use. I tucked in this one, the spool with very velvet trim. This heart, and again another piece of wood for a tiny one, a mask for her face. Yeah, but she doesn't need that, but oh well. Okay, and this one I made, this is a Mercy box. I love this one, and with a lovely cluster on there, and I packaged it like this. I will show you. Sorry for the noise. Through. And I put these tiny beads on there that I've made myself. The beads, not the beads, but the dangles. Sorry. And there's Merci chocolate in there. And also I've used again some crochet crochet flower from Patricia, tiny butterfly that I've got from Esme, and this I've made myself, this lovely tiny bow from Pink and Main dye, and these are Wild Orchid Craft flowers and a rose, and it says this is Tim Holtz special delivery. It's on there, and yeah, I thought it was cute. And packaging is the same paper that I've used, and then yeah, this a cluster on there that I've made a while ago, and a paper clip so she can reuse the topper. And this one I've made, and this one was fun, and I love the noise. I know she will too. This is normally a white sandwich bag, and I use the oxides on there, and some Tim Holtz stamps on there. This one not, it's a Studio Light, but the butterflies and the other insects are all, and the numbers are all Tim Holtz stamps. Yeah, I had a lot of fun making this bag. I love that. And I put a butterfly, a wooden butterfly on here. And in here is a gift. So that's that. And then I've made some stamps again. I love to make them, of course. And yeah, like this. Very I won't open it, but there are a few very lovely shabby papers. And put a butterfly on here and stamped it all. Maybe she will show it in the video, I don't know. But and also these tiny ones. I love those. So these, and I put in some trim she can use. Yeah. So, and on the back some doodads. There's, you can do a lot of, yeah, you can stuff it, yeah, with a lot of stuff. Stuff it with a lot of stuff. So, okay. Yeah, this is the project I wanted to show you, and oops. Oh, and it stays in, very good. So, yeah, that's it. And thank you all for watching, and until the next video. Bye bye.